dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good evening to all. On behalf of the panel of juries, I am here to present the jury's report for the 17th Well-Built Structure Competition conducted by Builders Association of India. This year, our chairman of the juries, Architect Makran Godbole, could not be present here due to a personal problem. His father is not well, and so I am filling the gap for him. So please bear with me because I just walked in to enjoy a very nice evening with all of you, and Nanda Kumarji made me deliver the report. So I am not at all prepared, but let me try. Friends, as you know, the basis of this award is basically quality, economy, speed and safety. Due to this, another major aim is to bring forward the good work done by our colleagues and present to you what is all that is happening in the field with new technologies, new methods, and to achieve the speed. These good works need to be presented because we may not know. There are so many things happening that we do not get a chance to visit all the sites. And I sincerely thank Builders Association of India because all of us, these 20 juries, what we are traveling for all these works, it's a good learning for us also. Because there are many new things people are doing. This year, there are about 45 entries, which was, I think, a record number comparing to the last year. Maximum entries were coming from residential sector, large buildings, almost 12 entries, industrial, then infrastructure. We could get to see a good project of a large bridge construction. I think you will see it in the next stage of the progress. During this evaluation, juries were given parameters. The parameters were divided into two parts, that is weightage to the process and weightage to the implementation at site. It's very difficult task to give opinion about a completed structure, and therefore we tried to break it up into these parts, and for doing a proper evaluation, juries devoted a lot of time and a lot of efforts to find out whether the work was really done as claimed, because all photographs looks very nice. Therefore, we could go through the documents, the reports kept at the site, the construction photographs, and the physical site itself. So there was, I think, we had tried to cover almost all the aspects to see that we give justice to the entries. As you see, with entries going up every year, the task of evaluation is becoming more tougher.
Yes.
So the process becomes more important, and an impartial view by all the juries helped us to arrive at decisions, which I think you will see yourself and appreciate when the awards are given. The process of presentation, site visits went on for almost 10 to 12 days. At the end of that, we could all sit together, review what we are doing. And collectively then we arrived at the awardees. The competition, as I said, is becoming more intense. Our observations are that day by day the quality of work is definitely going up. People are adopting new techniques, and speed is generally on the rise as speedy work, better quality work. There are few things, although they will certainly help to the evaluation. More detailed recording of the events of the site during construction, maybe more photographs, then works related to labor welfare, which we find that sometimes it is not available because the site is complete and the project is closed. So something to do more with the workers, how we have taken care of them, how the details of their health has been maintained, and what sort of facilities were actually given, it generally needs to be enhanced in the further part. Cost comparison is also, I think, should be more elaborate and on common footings, because everyone tries to give the cost on a different footing and becomes difficult to compare whether it was done in an economical manner. it was observed that large scale mechanization is now becoming more common. Like now pumps are becoming very, very common, cranes are there, the formwork systems are there. Maybe what we feel is that using smaller tools to enhance the efficiency and increasing the workmanship by using what we see abroad, that there are many small tools that I think there is a great possibility to use them and improve the quality. I think with all these entries what we could see, there are certainly very unique structures in some areas. I I congratulate all the participants and the winners, and I think this is a very open competition and people must take more and more participation and more and more interest into the competition, which will certainly give a boost to the entire industry. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you.